The first step for these pan roasted nuts is to wash them, drain, and let them dry a little bit before roasting them. Heat your pan, medium heat, and the idea is simply to keep stirring the nuts to ensure that they don't get burnt. This was a mix of groundnuts and some little cashew nuts. For salting, dissolve your salt in water according to your personal taste. And don't forget that you'll need to keep on stirring continuously. Then you will add your water gradually as you continuously stir. Slowly by slowly, the water evaporates, leaving the salt evenly coated on the nuts. Keep stirring until they're fully roasted. The whole process took about 14 minutes. Nuts are a good addition to your food diversity household plan. You can eat them alone, you can add on bread, you can incorporate in salads, in sauces, in stews. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Kwaheri.